If you manage one or multiple properties, you need to try Myr.ai. Myr.ai is a platform that allows you to monitor every task your service providers are working on. You can use us for cleaning, security, small repairs, or maintenance. I love Myr.ai because it's a simple space management platform, and that's something I couldn't find in other management tools. I can choose the kind of task I want to track, their real-time status, related pictures, and comments. It means more time for me and my team for focus on work. I tried to manage everything we were doing with spreadsheets, and it was a nightmare. Now with Myr.ai, everything is in context, and there's so much you can do. Filter topics, get data and execution metrics for all your spaces so that you can focus your attention where it's needed. It gives a sense of everything falling into place. Seriously, if you manage properties, you need to use Myr.ai.